kids learn languages faster than adults?
No, they don't. This idea is so dumb. You can absolutely learn a language faster than a child. In fact, you probably already have. Let's unpack why this myth not only doesn't hold up, but why it's actually holding you back from learning German. First, why this myth exists. I've got some experience here. I have 3 kids. They all learned English as their native language, and for about 6 years I spoke only German with my first 2. They did okay. My wife is a speech-language pathologist. She literally helps kids learn to talk for a living. So trust me, I've seen up close how this works. Here's the speed run of child language development. Year 1, lots of babbling, maybe 1 or 2 words by the end. Year 2, you'll get some words but no real conversation. Years 3 and 4, finally some actual back and forth. Around year 5, reading starts with simple letters and words. Even with constant exposure, music, movies, school, me rambling on all day, my kids still don't know basic words a German learner would pick up in their very first year. Why? Because they're kids. Their brains aren't finished yet. And now, why adults are better equipped. Here's the comparison. It takes a child 4 years to get to a basic conversational skill level. An adult who puts in consistent, minimal effort can get there in about 6 months. But what about neuroplasticity? Sure, kids' brains are more flexible. They also eat glue. Neuroplasticity doesn't magically make them better at learning a second language. Adults have tools that kids don't. Pattern recognition, for example. We can see structures, apply them, and adapt them where there are exceptions. Deductive reasoning. If someone tells us this is the rule, we can immediately use it. Efficiency. We skip over years of trial and error that kids go through. Here's the big one. Children learn passively. Language just washes over them. They pick up bits and pieces, and formal education kind of cleans it up years later. Adults learn actively. We search for answers, recognize patterns, and apply them right away. That's why an adult learner, even starting from 0, can leapfrog a child in language learning speed. So why am I ranting about this? Because too many people tell themselves, I'm too old, I missed my chance, it'll be hard now. That's nonsense. You're already learning new things all the time. You memorize complex TV plots, video game mechanics, sports stats, and random trivia without even realizing it. You can absolutely apply that same brain power to German. Don't let the kids learn faster myth hold you back. You're not too old. You're not too late. You are more equipped than any child to learn a new language and to learn it faster. So stop waiting, stop making excuses, and start learning today. If you want to start learning today, I've got a link in the description for my Deutschlerner Club. I've got an A1 and an A2 course built into there, as well as a huge library of content that I've created since 2023. Check it out via the link in the description, and I'll see you over there. Bis dann. Tschüss.